Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, alloy wheels, xenon headlights, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, starter type, starter belt alternator, braking assist, privacy glass, parking sensors. Inside you'll find backup camera, rear view camera, keyless entry, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player.